How to buy Beenz token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check the DEX account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the DEX screener. It's created by 23 hours ago. So as you can see, it's increased by 5,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 90%. That's good. That's many investment in a safe place. Now copy the token address from here, and as you can see, this token address came under this one. To open your funds money for that. Now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address as you can see. Now select the token. Enter how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, it's how much you receive. After that, click select the provider, for example, Jupiter. And make sure to read all of this information here. After that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, after that, if you face an issue, go back to this page with the slip out your customer, and after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Beenz token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in this video.